checking on?
So we just walk. Sorry.
Let's go find our room. John's feeling strong. He's decided to carry everything rather than get the lift. We've never stopped for Halloween, so we've never seen it all decorated for Halloween. Show you outside. So that's the CBeebies Hotel over there. I love the carpets. Thank you, kind sir. $3.17. I don't think we're that far down. Oh, what's that one? $3.15, $14, $3.16. That's typical. $3.17. These are the doors. Super cool.
You thought you were going to go away.
Hello everyone. So we are currently staying, this is really bad lighting, I'm going to move in here. We are currently staying at the Alton Towers Hotel for Scarefest. There's just me and John, with no kids, and we've booked ourselves a Moon Voyager room. So I'm going to give you a proper room tour because I have no children jumping around, no children messing everything up. So yeah, I'm going to give you a room tour of the Moon Voyager room at Alton Towers Hotel. So we are staying in room 317, which is fairly close to the lifts and the staircase. So here's the door. So here's the back of the door when you walk in. And when you walk in, let me just zoom out. There is hanging space. It's a bit dark in here. It's got more mood lighting than anything else. There's a iron and ironing board. There is also a travel cot. So it actually sleeps 2 adults, 2 children, and an under 3, I think. And then we have tea and coffee and a drawer. And this room actually has a fridge, but I'll be honest, it doesn't feel very cold. And then when you turn around, this is the bathroom. So here's the door to the bathroom, toilet, and I love the theming in here. It's all like steampunk and space. The kids really love this room. And then a mirror. Hello everybody. With the lights. And then a decent sized sink, and you get some free little toiletries. And then this is such a cool bit. So when you're in the shower, really nice theming with the shower, and they've swapped the shower curtains for shower screens, which is a lot better. But yeah, I don't think we've had this picture in the Moon Voyager room before. I think they might differ per room. And then what's really cool is if you sit on the toilet, you get to look at this guy. So he's really cool. And then I'll just take you out. So this is the bedroom from here, and it's actually split into 2 sections. So there's like a children's sleeping area and an adult sleeping area. There is a full-length mirror, and then the kids bit's really cool. So it's these bunk beds, and the kids get this little activity box. I'm going to be taking those home for the kids. And then is this working? No, I don't know. This is all meant to like light up and buzz, but I'll be honest, I think we've only stopped in a room once where it has actually lit up. Hang on. No. So yeah, that's a shame. But we do kind of find that with Alton Towers, they have really, really good theming, but it's not always maintained. So yeah, but the kids love this room. And this room also comes with an Xbox. I think the games are preloaded. I know Hayden's played on it before. And then each bed has its own little light. Hayden would have had a little. So each bed's got a little activity pack. And then if we swirl around, there's like the desk vanity area with a stool. Well, Emily doesn't come with the room. I've bought her for Estella, but she's sat there. Drawer with a hairdryer. And then another nice big mirror. And then if we swivel round, there's some more lighting, nice big TV, a couple of chairs and a table. And I think this is our favourite bit. The kids love that these rooms come with these huge beds, and they are not to take away. They have to stay in the room. But the kids love snuggling in, and yeah, so the phone's really cool. It's like a cool like retro steampunky phone. And then there's the picture at the back of the bed. The beds are really comfy as well in here. They're really big. So now it says, my name is Zachariah and I live in this amazing room. Please leave me here to continue to enjoy my adventures with Sir Algernon. That's really cool. And we don't have a spectacular view today. It is the car park. Sometimes we've been really, really lucky and been at the back of the hotel and had a view out to the lake and the fountain and everything. But it's a decent sized room. It's big enough for a family of 4. And also like you can put the travel cart up as well, and that would probably just sit there. Just a nice space for it, and you've still got plenty of floor space. And the carpets are also really well themed, so they're all like space and steampunk. Yeah, so it's a really, really nice room, and it was only at £20 more to kind of upgrade to this room. But yeah, we really, really like it, and there's space under the kids' beds to put your luggage. I'd say me and John have slept in the bunk beds at Alton Towers, but we're quite small adults. They are made for children. So yeah, this is the Moon Voyager room 317 at the Alton Towers Hotel. We're currently staying at the end of October. The room is nice and clean. No complaints whatsoever. I hope you enjoyed this little room tour. I also have videos up from our Alton Towers stay where we have done Scarefest and we have done the scare mazes and we've reviewed every one of them and took you on our little adults only adventure. So please go and check those out. If they're not up, they will be up soon. But yeah, so from me and Zachariah, thank you very much for watching, and we'll see you real soon. Bye.